Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
Check 1, 2.
All right. Should I start?
Yeah, go ahead.
Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
There's a land that I heard of once
in
a lullaby.
I'll wake up at a took-a-pot and nobody knows this part of the song. At least, I don't. Where da 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 dum. You need cooling, baby. I'm not fooling. Wanna send you back to schooling. Wanna give you my love,
Oh,
baby.
you don't need
Wanna give you my love. Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. How's that for an intro?
I like it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the show.
Okay.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Over here is the one and only, my reason for living.
Oh, get out of here, would you?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away.
Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the show. And I'm really happy to see you today. Yeah, welcome back to the show. And today, you know what? I'm going to be honest with you guys. We got to get realistic about this show. We did a show last week, and the title was Ojibwe Language Lesson, Homeschool Episode. And it was just kind of a joke, right? I mean, every episode's a homeschool episode. But it for some reason took off. And no joke, we had 10 times the amount of viewers. So I'm calling this show that same thing somehow. Maybe let's call this show the Language Lesson Homeschool Distance Learning. I mean, it's so boring, but if it gets more views. Anyway, yeah, hi. Today's Ojibwe language lesson. Let's pretend this is a homeschool thing. How's it going, you guys? Are you taking classes at home? I'm not sure how that works. But today's Ojibwe language lesson via the internets. Let's talk about counting to 10. This is how you count to 10 in Ojibwe Moan. This is how you count to 10 in Ojibwe Moan. There's a song there somehow. Well, we already did that song, didn't we?
Yeah, we sure did.
I might have to play that. All right, here's 1 to 10 in Ojibwe. 1, Beijig. 2, Nij. 3, Niswe. 4, Niwin. 5, Nanan. 6, Ngod Waswe. 7, Nij Waswe. 8, Nish Waswe. 9, Jongaswe. And 10, Midaswe. So one more time. Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan, Ningod Waswe, Nij Waswe, Nish Waswe, Jongaswe, Midaswe. Beijig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan, and Ningod Waswe, Nij Waswe, Nish Waswe, Jongaswe, and Midaswe. We will now. All right, so there you go. 1 to 10. Let's leave it at that. Otherwise, I hope you're doing well. We're doing great here in lovely Bemidji, Minnesota. Oh, would you want to live anywhere else, sweetie?
No, I love Bemidji.
Me too. It's a beautiful place that's constantly gray and cold. All right. Sweetie, you want to take us out?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Well, everybody, hope you like the show. Just want to remind you, if you did like the show, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the show, meaning Michael, if you'd like to give him some junia, some money, you can click the link to PayPal or Patreon. And let's see, what else? Oh, and if you'd like to order some children's books in the Ojibwe language, you can always click the link to Amazon.com. And Michael Lyons has some children's books and some coloring books and some stuff like that. All right. Well, having said that, I am Natasha. This is Nana BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin.
Minowa.
Oh,
Oh, what? Okay.
think I'm going out of my head. Oh, yeah. Somebody called out the doctor. The doctor of love. Oh. Kisses are so tough. I was singing about love. You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had now. And if I say I wanna set you free, don't you know you'll be in misery? You know why? Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you'll let me in. You let me through, there's nothing you can do. You need my love and don't you know it's true? So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees. Baby, I know what your problem is. The first step of the cure is a kiss. The greatest band in the world. Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. 'Cause I am a doctor of love.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so Paul
What do you think,
Stanley.
Natasha?
Yeah.
What should do the next one?
Let's do a love song. Yeah. How about Forever? There we go. I like love songs. You know, if I was on a deserted island, I would definitely get this album.
Oh yeah, me too.
I
Gotta tell you what I'm feeling inside.
I could lie to myself, but it's true.
There's no denying when I look in your eyes.
Girl, I'm out of my head over you.
Aww.
I lived so long believing all of this lies, but everything about you is telling me this time it's forever. This time I know it, there's no doubt in my mind. Forever, until my life is through. Girl, I'll be loving you forever.
Yeah.
That's another one of those songs with 3-part harmony. Kiss is like a barbershop quartet.